Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn that how could we fetch useful data from raw text data. Please remember one of the function could be used only from 2013 Excel version onwards. Thank you. Let's begin. This is the raw data. All these cells have raw data. First of all, we have to give titles of the information we have to fetch, like name, ID, number, job title, age, domicile city, or any other information, gross pay, total work experience. So first of all, in this we have to write first person first line name, that is Ahmed Nair. Now use Control E. This is called flash fill. I use Control key plus alphabet E simultaneously. Same is for this ID. Control E again. As you can see, all the required information is properly fetched from this raw data. Now the job title, Control E again. Okay, now we can see there is some disturbance in this data. We have a solution for this issue also. Let's wait for this age now. Control E again. Domicile is first. We are just putting first line data. Control E again. Gross pay. And please remember, you have to write correct data in the first row. Now, as you can see, there is unrequired spaces in between the text. So for this, these are the data consist of just 6 rows, but what if these are based on thousands or 10,000 rows data? So in this we have to add additional column by using Control and plus key. So another column has been added, as you can see. Now we are using this function. This is called trim function. Is equal to TRIM, trim, Now use key tab on the left side of your keyboard. Tab. Now the text which we have to get trim. So we select this one. It's selected. Now I am selecting all these required cells in which we have to apply this particular function, that is trim. And now I am copying the above cell information by using Control D. Control D. As you can see, the required data is arranged in a proper form without unrequired spaces. Now I am copying the job title, and now I am hiding this cell. Please remember, if you use a function which belongs to a particular cell, like in this we are using D3 data, so if we delete this column, D column, then all the data will be left, so we have to hide. Now I am recalling, I use flash fill function by using Control key plus E letter alphabet key simultaneously. We use this flash function by going on the data tab also, and as you can see, if we delete all this information and tap on this function, then same will be happening. Now see, so we can use this flash function from here also. So please subscribe my channel for further useful information, and another useful lecture is going ahead, which based on if and AND function, by which we can extract and put useful logics for our daily routine businesses. Thank you very much.